Welcome to Orcrops YouTube channel, your world for information.
Hi and Vanakkam. Welcome to yet another session of language learning, Tamil language. Today we are going to see the Tamil words in different languages of the world and the directional words, which we call it as Disai Chokkal in Tamil. So we are going to see about the Tamil words that are present in different languages of the world, as well as words from different other languages that have come into form in Tamil. Right? Okay. Before I start, there are a couple of things that I want to mention here. One, this is just an attempt to give you that all the languages are spread across the world and all the languages have loaned or borrowed some words from other languages of the world. So all we speak is nothing but more of one languages with different understanding of our thing. So it is very easy to learn any language. And especially being the first language in the world or one of the oldest languages in the world, Tamil has borrowed a lot of words as part of its evolution, as well as it has loaned a lot of words to other languages during its spread. So with these things in mind, I will also give some cultural and historical perspectives of why different words came and why Tamil words were known, were spoken in different languages and all these things during the course of this lesson. Right? Let's go. The first word is Dhoni. Oh, definitely not the Indian cricketer. In Dvehi, the language spoken in Maldives, it's the word for boat. Generally, they refer speedboats. This has come with Tamil word Thoni, which is for boat. Okay? Thoni or Dhoni. And also you can see many other words. For example, the word Kappal, which is common in Bahasa Malaysia and Bahasa Indonesia. Kappal is the word for ship. And also, this is a Tamil word basically. And the word Katamaran in English, which has its origin from Kattumaram, tying of trees, which is used as a floater in the water. Okay, why all these words from Tamil have gone to Divehi, Malaysia, Bahasa Indonesia and English? The reason is Tamils were early explorers. As I heard, they were the first sailors around the world, one of the earliest sailors. So all these words related to boat, ship and the floater Kattumaram, Katamaran are all coming from Tamil. Okay? So next time when you go to Indonesia or Maldives, you know what to say, and when they come to our place, they know what to say. Right. There are quite a few words that have come from Persian and the Urdu languages. So one of the word is file, what we call as Dastavij, no? Actually the right Tamil word is Avanam. It has come from the Persian language. Okay, in my last video, I said Kulambi or Kottai Vadinir, and most of them did not understand what it means. because we always call it as copy, which has the root word from Turkish language. Kahve, kahve become kafe, kape. But the original Tamil word is Kuழம்பி or Kottayodini. Still we call it as copy. The root word is Turkish word, kahve. The word for table. See, the Tamil community was more of an agricultural community. We had the habit of sitting on the floor to eat. So there was no table. The word table is called mesai in Tamil, which originates from the Spanish word mesa. So Spanish has loaned this word to Tamil. Right. Window, we call it as jannal. The right Tamil word is salaram. Jannal is the common spoken word which originates from the Portuguese word janela. So the word for window is salaram or jannal. The jannal word is a Portuguese word which has taken now, is very much part of the Tamil language. Shelf, we call it as alamari. Alamari, which is again a Portuguese word. Armario. Pardon with my pronunciation. I'm not good in Portuguese, so definitely there may be some mistake, but it's definitely from a Portuguese word. The word for ice cream in Tamil is panikul. But believe me, most of us don't use the word panikul, we use the word ice cream, which is an English word. It has become very much part of the Tamil language now. Okay. When I was in Indonesia, Bali, they gave me a dish to eat and call it as unde unde. I was wondering, it sounded like a Tamil name. What is unde unde? It's a dish which you can eat, which is round. Same word unde is in Mauritian Creole also. The word is round in Tamil. Urundai in Tamil has given form to unde in Bahasa Indonesia or the Mauritian Creole. Right? Tamil and Korean language have a lot of common words. There are thousands of Tamil words in Korean language. This is with the assumption that Tamil has come much before the Korean language, and that's how the historical evidence also show. So the history goes like this. There was a princess in Ayodhya, the northern part of India, which is now part of the Uttar Pradesh state. She got married to a Korean prince, and a lot of people went there. Amazing. I don't know how whether Tamil was spoken in Ayodhya or not, but definitely it is spoken in many parts of Korea in different forms. The basic words are appa, which is for father or dad, same appa in Korean. Amma, amma, we call it as oma, uma, little with a little change in accent, is the word for mother. Again, appa and amma, or appa and amma of Tamil and Korean are same. We use the word asal. Asal is a word, Tamil word, which has a meaning of original or real. This comes from a Urdu word called asli. Asli is the Urdu word, root word, which has given rise to asal in Tamil. Okay. We use the word chavi in Tamil for key. Key is called chavi. This original Tamil word is thiravukol. Thiravukol is the right word, but you can say chavi. In Malayalam, again one of the Indian languages, they call it as takol, which is much closer to a Tamil word. But the right Tamil word is thiravukol. I don't know. This chavi has some Persian origin. or maybe it is from Portuguese. You can check because I am not aware of where it has come from. Right. Sofa again is a common word used in Tamil also. Sofa is called soba. Again, which has its origin in Persian or Arabic. Sufa. Sufa is the word which has given rise to the word sofa, which is sofa or the couch. Jimki. Most of the ladies like to wear the earrings here and they call it as jimki. You know the popular song Jimki Kamal? Okay, same jimki. Jimki is the earring. Earring, this word has come from Urdu language. Urdu language has loaned this word to Tamil. It's common in Malayalam also. Right. Pump. Most of the farmers use this pump set. They say pump. Pump is a word, technology word that has come from the German language pump. Pull is the word for grass in Tamil. The same pull is also the word for grass in the Korean language. In Sinhala language, Sinhalese and Tamil have a lot of common words. They say idama is originally a word in Tamil as idam, which is the word for place. So Sinhalese and Tamil have a lot of common words. Obvious that lot of Tamils have migrated to Sri Lanka and a lot of common words. Words like machan are also common in Sinhalese. Lot of words are there. Right? The word vetukili is the word for grasshopper in Tamil. In Korean they call it as metugi. Metugi and vetukili have common sounds. So vetukili has given rise to the word metugi. The word sumar. How are you? எப்படி இருக்க? சுமாரா இருக்கேன். We say. The word sumar, which is for just fine or okay, is a Persian word. Interestingly, the word okay is initial of a German quality engineer. When he finds the quality check to be fine, he says okay. That has become a word in English just for the information. So sumar is for just fine and sumar is from Persian. How many of you use the word veranda? Veranda in Tamil. It's the word for balcony, which again has come from the Portuguese language. Tayar. Tayar is the word for ready. In the Hindi language, it has taken a form called tayyar. But the original tayar is from the Persian language. For the cup or tumbler, one of the Tamil words is kopai, which has originated from the Portuguese word copa. Okay. It's a word called kakus, which is not much in use. It's used for the toilet or the washroom or the latrine, which is originating from a Dutch word. And the right Tamil word is kalivarai. Kalivarai is for the right word for the toilet. But yes, most of them understand when you say kakus. The right word for bathroom is kuliyal arai. Kuliyal arai. Okay. Just to add. Ilaka is another Urdu word which means segment. The right Tamil word is turai. Turai. This is a word loaned by Tamil to all other languages. Manga. Manga is a Tamil word because one of the three fruits, main fruits of Tamil Nadu lands, 5 lands were Ma, which is manga, mango, pala, jackfruit, and banana, vazhai. These are the three main fruits, staple fruits of this region. And the name of manga is originally from Tamil, which has been loaned by English as mango. Also, I have seen in Indonesia and Philippines, they call it as manga, again, which is actually a Tamil word which they speak without much of their knowledge. Lot of Southeast Asians understand manga. The word for barrel in Tamil is pipai. How many of you know that it is from Portuguese language? And another common word that is used in Tamil is saval, which has its origin in Urdu. The right Tamil word is areikuval. Actually, this list is not comprehensive. There are millions of words which have migrated from Tamil and which have loaned by Tamil from other languages. The list is not comprehensive. You can add the words you know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Good day.